Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine and it's giving you an E58 error on the display and you're trying to figure out, okay, what is this error and is there anything that I can do to get rid of it? So just real quickly what it is. So the E58 error is the main control board that controls everything in the washing machine senses some kind of failure with itself, the control board itself. So there's really two things that could be happening here. One is the machine could just be kind of glitching, like a computer can glitch sometimes, and just a hard reset will fix it. And a hard reset, there's a couple ways to do it. The easiest way to do it is just to cut power to your washing machine for a full 3 minutes. So that's either unplug it from the wall, turn it off with the circuit, leave it unplugged for 3 minutes, restore power, turn it on, and if this error comes back, then it probably means you actually do have a true failure on the control board, which means what you need to do at that point is you need to actually replace the control board.